Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I have something a little different for you. I wanted to show you what came in my April Pinch Me box. If you aren't a member of Pinch Me is a great way to get free samples through the mail every month. So this month I got some Maker overnight oats. And these were mulberry and chia. I also got some native deodorant. It was coconut and vanilla. This smelled so good. And I also got some Lumify eye drops. Also, every time I get a Pinch Me box, it usually comes with some coupons for the products that came in the box. And typically, I also get a HelloFresh gift code. So overall, this is a pretty great box. I wanted to go ahead and make those Maker overnight oats. I love overnight oats. I make them quite often. So the directions on the back were pretty simple. Add milk, stir, keep them in your refrigerator overnight, and then enjoy. They didn't say how much milk you were supposed to use in the overnight oats, so I did have to go on the website and double check. I am a precise person. It said just kind of fill it up until the oats were covered with milk, but I needed like an actual measurement. So I used 3/4 of a cup of milk, and that covered them up pretty well. And then I lost the inside of my mason jar lid, so I just used some parchment paper and my lid and gave it a bit of a shake and then stuck it in my refrigerator overnight. Then the next morning, they were ready to go. Breakfast was ready for me after I got all the kids off to school. And I was so impressed with this. It was so good. This has fruit inside of it, and I don't know if it must be dehydrated, and then overnight it rehydrates in the milk. So this one had cherries in it, which was really good and quite a surprise. Oh, mulberries. It probably had mulberries since it was mulberry and chia. That probably makes more sense. Whatever they were delicious. Big thumbs up. I really liked these. Everything was measured out already, so I didn't have to mix anything. It was great. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will leave information down in the description box of how to claim your free Pinch Me boxes. Bye, guys.